What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be working on my C7 A6 again today, and I'm gonna be putting on these wheel spacers finally. They came in the mail yesterday, so I went with got these from ECS. They're the EMD brand 15 mil spacers. Initially, when I measured, I did the measurement from here to just the inside of the fender. It was like 14 millimeter, and I think the rule is you're supposed to go 2 millimeters back, so it would have been like 12 millimeter. And I was going to order 12 and a half, but the car is not slammed, and being that I went with a thinner tire, I was gonna have a lot more room, a lot more clearance, so I just went ahead and went with the 15 mil. So I'm about to get started, get to test out this new Milwaukee Impact that I got. It has adjustable torque on it and everything, so I'm gonna be trying this out today. I'm gonna get set up and get started, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll install one side, and then we'll, so we can see the difference from one side with and one side without, and then I'll probably get some rolling shots afterward also. Right, you guys, I got one side done. See how it looks. The suspension needs to settle again. You can see how high the back is, but this is the side I did already. Let's take a look at the side I didn't do. You can see how much further it's in, but this will give you a better. You can see how much further the front is in, and then look at the driver's side that I did. It's about flush. Almost looks like the rear is sticking out maybe like half a millimeter, maybe a millimeter more or something, but when I measured it was the same, so I don't know. And then you can see that being that the higher part of the tire is closer to the fender well, it's making it look a little lower. Well, actually just making it look, the wheel is filling the fender well more because the height of the tire is closer to the edge of the fender well now. So it looks a lot better already to me. I'm gonna do the other side, and we'll come back, guys. I got the other side on. Came out pretty good. Just need to drive it around so the suspension settles. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll try to get some rolling shots. Oh, by the way, this Milwaukee worked out real good. What I did was, you can see it has these torque settings up here, and you press this little button down here, and when it highlights, that's the torque setting that it's on. So it goes to that torque settings and then it stops. So initially I started with number 1, which is 40 to 75 foot-pounds. just to get it ran up, and then I went to 75 to 150 for the final, and that was it. And this is the Milwaukee 2769-20, the M18 fuel half-inch extended, whatever that is, anvil controlled torque. I was gifted this and some other tools from the job I did in Colorado, so that was the first time I used it, but it worked out real good. All right, I'm gonna get some rolling shots. Oh, one more thing, you can see how dusty these wheels are. I know when I was taking the wheels off, the brake dust was just sitting at the bottom of the rim, so much brake dust. And I just washed these wheels the other day, so I don't know what pads they are. It looks like it's some Techstar. So I think that's I forget what company that is, but they're real dusty. And I do have a set of brand new EBC red stuff pad, but that pad is dusty too. So if you guys know a pad that stops good but that's not real dusty, let me know.
네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher. Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise. You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해. 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해. Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 나도 내게 미워. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내게 미워. Yeah. I want more money, money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. 뭐 나도 내게 뭘 해도 내게 미워. Yeah. I want more money, money, money. Yeah. I want more money, money, money.
Yo. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강. 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야. 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give up.
Like you guys, we back. Had my son Makai help me get some rolling shots, and then he followed me in his GTI, him and my nephew, to get some more rolling shots on the street driving. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So far, the rims, the wheels aren't rubbing or anything like that. The only thing is scrape the spoiler a few times. I hope you can see that. So I don't know how long this thing is going to survive. But like I said, I'm probably going to end up switching out to a whole nother bumper anyway. You can see the clear coat is peeling on this one, and you know, like I said, I've been liking the look of some other bumpers that I've seen, like the RS6 bumper. So I'm thinking about going that route, but when I put all this on this bumper, now I like this. So I don't know, I might just have this one repainted, get another spoiler, because this one's starting to chip. You can see that right there. But ECS also sells a spoiler protector, so I'll probably look into that to see how that works. And this little lip spoiler wasn't expensive, especially if you catch it on sale. But what I did also with this was, if you looked at the install video, there's 4 screws, so I ended up putting 7 more I put 5 going across the front so it wouldn't pull off. And then there was like 2 spots in the very back that I put some more screws. So it ain't coming off. If anything, it's gonna crack or break, but I'm just trying to be real careful with it, of course. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I've been trying to put up a video about every other day so far. I mean, that's mostly because I'm off of work. I just got back from a job out of town, so I start another job next week in town, so I'll be here, but you know, I'll be working, so probably won't be filming as much unless I find something I could film quick after work every day. If not, I'll be filming on the weekends. Coming up, I did get a message from the people that are doing the mirrors for me, and they shipped them out today, but they're coming from overseas. So the wing, I haven't heard anything yet. They said they'll try to ship that out next week, and that's from a different company. So I'm trying to find the rest of the bottom lip spoilers for the side skirts and the rear bumper. And so far what I've seen is they have one that goes, but it's just straight and it barely comes out. It'd be nice if they had something that had a little shape to it and came out more and angled down just a little bit. And the same thing with the side. It's just a little piece that a little straight piece that goes like right there. So I don't know, it might look totally different on the car, but the pictures I've seen, it just doesn't seem like it. You know, it seemed like it could be, there could have been a little bit more to it. But you know, the car looks nice. It doesn't need much to me anyway, so we'll see. But as far as the down pipes and mid pipes, when I ordered the wheel spacers, I ordered new gaskets because I couldn't find the other ones, and then I called ECSTuning about installing the down pipes, so I might have them do it later, and then I'll probably do the 034 Motorsports tune. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know how you guys, you know, what you guys think about the direction the car is going in, and if you have any suggestions or anything, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.